and talk about a bitch's size or, you know, her skin problems or a bitch's height or a bitch her hair, or I'm not. So the person's video that I saw, no, you will not get a shout out, but you did buy me something really, really cute. I have not spent your gift card yet, boo. But I will say this, honey, don't you ever try to downplay me because I'm bigger than you, bitch, because I could be the biggest bitch in the room and I could still look better than you.
All right, see, this is what happens when you do not graduate from high school and you do not have any college courses. You don't understand how to comprehend what someone is saying to you. Olivia, I have not downplayed you because you are bigger than me at all. So I have no idea where that comes from. This is you again playing the victim. Hey, welcome. I'm not even going to do the regular intro. The only thing that I am going to do is break this video down. And in that video, that person said what? That's why I wore this, because I thought it would be the best hoodie to wear. And it says, living my best life. All right. Now, this particular individual, okay, because they didn't really want to say my name and I do not really want to say their name, okay? So this actual particular individual, I have never, ever, under any circumstances, body shamed her. But before we go ahead and get started, let me make you aware that I am a size 16 plus size. And you guys have been told this and I have no problem with it, all right? So sometimes people are a little bit insecure about, you know, their weight or whatever. Me, myself, I have never been insecure about it, because what I am going to say to you and soak this in your mind is that when I walk out of my house and I am going to any special events, you better believe that when I walk into that room, I am going to own that shit. All right. Now, this particular individual, I have never body shamed them. Only thing that I have actually did is talk about their holes. If you are on the verge of busting out your shirt, if you are on the verge where I can stand across from you and I can see that your heart is beating, if you are on the verge of any of that, then there's a problem. But what I said also was the fact that this person may be fat, but her face is beautiful. So what I meant by that, because I remember, you know what I mean, one of the reactors sent you a homewarming gift as well, and she just said a basic, you know, I hope this meets you. Something about healthy in your life, and being as though, you know what I mean, people literally have gotten their diploma, their certificate from Amazon. This is why they don't understand when a person of education speaks to them. And what did this person do? Yeah, she came for her. And all the other person was trying to do was say something, say, you know, something well, but you know what I mean? When you don't have a GED, when you don't have a high school diploma, sometimes a lot of things just seem to go, oh shit, a lot of things seem to just go over your fucking head. You get what I'm saying? So like I said, I've always said, you know, you have a beautiful face and, you know, you have, you know, it is what it is. I've said that, you know, you can actually lose weight, but what is that person who is making jokes about you going to do when they lose weight? They are still going to have that fucked up face. And that is exactly what I said. If you go in a lot of my videos, even a lot of people, they'll say, why do you always, you know, like Olivia a little bit more? And the reason behind that, because see over here, I can kick you the facts, all right? Yeah. So the reason behind that, I always felt that this individual basically was always on top of her shit. But guess what, y'all? This individual fooled the shit out of me. This individual went on to say, you know, that she has more. Everything is bigger. She has, wait a minute, what did she say? She said, I am bigger. And what I will say is, yes, you are bigger. You are bigger in every single way. You are bigger in your weight. You are bigger than the amount of videos you have up. You are bigger in your subscriber counts. But out here in the real world, girl, you would never, ever. And I'm going to leave it at that. Because y'all who already watch me, y'all already know I do it all day, living my best life. All right. See, what it is a lot of y'all come on here to this camera. All right. And you think the only thing that people do is like, y'all think that I only sit on the side of this bed and keep making videos. No, that's what happened. It takes me for maybe about 15 to 20 minutes to make a video. And then, I'm gone. I'm out of here. Preferably to the mall. Preferably spending some money. Because you know what? I can do that. Not only that, but my husband, he makes it where I can do that. He worships the ground, like I've said before, that I walk on. All I gotta do, if he see one little tear, oh my gosh, it's gonna drive him crazy. You feel what I'm saying? But anyway, so yes, I did decide to send this person a housewarming gift. Because you know why? I'm gonna break it down real quickly. I sent this person a gift because people are always saying, even this individual, that the reactors are haters, that the reactors are this and that. But this reactor, if I hated you so much, if I was jealous of you in any single ounce of minutely jealous, I would have never went and package your items, got into my car, got out of my car, put my mask on, and walk into the post office to send you a housewarming gift. Now, while you people are listening to this video and looking at it, go ahead and comment down below and let me know if that is a symptom of being a hater, being jealous, or anything in that nature. All right. Now, I myself, okay, I can't help, you know what I mean, if someone has, a problem with, I guess her name, Passion Jones. But before that, I am going to go ahead and touch this. For some reason, Liv, the video that you put out, individual. For some reason, that video that you decide to put out, and again, you guys can comment down below, because I'm pretty sure the trolls will be in this video running through, doing circles, doing backflips, everything. But when you did this video, which I think you should not have done, it actually showed on your face how jealous you are or were, well, I will say are, of Passion. It really did. It has been so long that you can look in your face, the way you ask questions, the way you came off in that video, that you are borderline still jealous, salty, and all of that. I myself don't know if it's because this young lady is a boss. I myself don't know if this is because this young lady is beautiful. She can walk her walk. When Passion Jones was heavy, you get what I'm saying? She still stood her ground. No matter what, that young lady, she came on this camera pulled together at all times. Not only that, but she was getting back-to-back sponsorships. Not from, no bullshit companies, but some real high players. So you see what I mean? When you come off that a certain way, sometimes you got to give people their credit. Every time isn't a time for you to jump out the gate and try to run at your mouth. You get what I'm saying? Sometimes you got to be quiet. Sometimes you got to be mute. Sometimes you got to hold your tongue to get to where you actually need to be. Now, through this whole video, you could basically see it, that you said that you were upset because she was one of the people that you looked up to in the plus size community, where not only that, but the trailer to her channel was all framed around plus size. So then when she decided to get the surgery, because this young lady did not want to be diabetic, she did not want to have heart problems, she did not want to have a stroke, she did not want to have any type of medical problems that you have when you are a big person as myself. All right. You get, so you mean to tell me that you have the nerve to get on this camera and get upset because someone has decided to get the weight surgery? Then on top of that, they paying for their own weight surgery. It ain't like you got nothing to do about it. Nothing you have in it. Nothing. So, and that's what makes it crazy. That's what makes it like a child. That is what makes it, seriously, it's not even funny. But when you go at the video, like I said, y'all, look at the video. And you know what I'm saying? You should not even be this upset about anyone. You should not even have made that video, because like I said, now it makes you look real crazy. It makes you look like a hater. Like you try to say about the hate, about the reactors, it makes you look like a hater. It makes you look jealous. All of that. Like I said, you was hating on, you get what I'm saying, me. And you trying to say you don't say nothing about nobody. All right, that's bullshit. No matter what you do, you always are talking out the side of your neck about something. All right, but you say you don't talk about nobody. You don't do none of that, okay? But you had the biggest problem, and everybody saw this because they came in comments, that Ming had got the surgery. I don't give a fuck what surgery Ming gets. You get what I'm saying? As long Ming is able to pay for that shit on her own, I mean, even if she not, I don't care, because I'm not her immediate family, so I don't got shit to do with it. But yeah, every time you said something about her. Then you turn around, and go and get some fucking lip fillers. Yes. That is why people, you know what I'm saying, looking at you sideways like, come on, Liv, like, stop it. Like, you should have came on camera. I would have did just like this. I would have came on camera and I would have been like, yeah, it's funny how y'all keep bringing, that up. But at that time, I was very immature. I did not know my place. I felt as though Passion Jones was a role model. When she decided to get the weight surgery, not to put this in though, but she still is plus size. All right. So so I'm saying, I just felt bad because she was a plus woman that always was an advocate for other plus size women, and for some reason I felt like she was leaving the plus size community. Bam. 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 Living my best life. Yeah, I mean, that's it. That's all, you get what I'm saying, you had to say. Like, I mean, it comes to a certain amount of time, like I told you, like, just be quiet. Just let things go. Sometimes when you let things go, you know what I mean, and you don't say anything, it all works out. It works out. A lot of times I can't say stuff to people on this platform that I want to say stuff to. And you know what? It works out. Because when I don't respond to your stupid ass, you look stupid. All right? I mean, it is what it is. But you are like, don't get upset at me. It is multiple people, other people, that have said that you are jealous of Passion Jones. It's not just me. There are still videos out there. You get me? Even I think the other day when Ming was in her live, if I'm not mistaken, and I was over there on the low, I want to say that Passion Jones came into her actual live. Like, see, Liv, your problem is that, I'm sorry, individual. your problem is that you are very, very, very mean inside. Like, I probably would feel like that as well with going through what you are going through. But come on now, Liv. Come on. Like, seriously, come on. I mean, and when I speak on your hauls, I mean, come on now, Liv. I don't body shame you, but other people, that is clearly what they do. What I clearly say is, and I'm going to stick to it because y'all know how I am, that you have no dressing skills, okay? And you bring that out in every single way. You have no dressing skills. It is what it is. You know what I mean? I don't know if that stemmed from, you get what I'm saying, people in your family. I done seen people, when you got married, they had a dress on with some boots. With some boots. With some boots. Do you hear me clearly? With some boots. I mean, I don't know. But what I was saying merely to you is that when you come on camera, and I mean, you already know people are going to try to body shame you. Why not try and put on, you get what I'm saying, some girdles or whatever. You know, to me, I feel like you are insecure. That's why you do the things that you do. The other day we were watching you and you walked past the screen with your goddamn drawers on or whatever it is. But then when you or someone says something, then you get real mad. People are going to say what they want to say. And that is nothing that you can control. Just like you are going to say what you are going to say. It is what it is. It is. People call me fucking fat all the time. I don't give a fuck. Because I already know what I got, what I look like, and all of that. I don't give a shit. Because like I said before, when I walk in the room, I am going to own the room. That right there is the type of attitude, you get what I'm saying, that you need. Right there. This is one of the reasons why I feel that you don't have, you know what I'm saying, any friends. Because the minute that the attention is taken off of you, Liv, you go crazy. You don't know how to act or anything. Just like this. Once the attention is on the rest of the moms, such as Chrissy, such as Liv, such as Ming, you get what I'm saying? That pisses you off. You over there looking like, fuck this, I gotta find something to put the attention back on me. They have all of YouTube and reactors' attention on them, but no, I need the attention. What am I going to do? What am I going to say? How am I going to put it all back on me? I mean, it's just crazy. I mean, it really is. And me, I mean, and you know, the whole sending you a housewarming gift, I already told you, you know about that. I mean, I sent you the email. I don't have any problem with putting the email in here. I mean, it's kind of crazy. For you to get into confrontation with Passion Jones, she's a sweetheart. There's definitely a problem. And then, like I said, you are always talking out the side of your neck. You even said it. You was like, oh, and by the way, if you guys go over to her channel, tell her that Olivia sent you. Do you realize Passion Jones don't give a fuck about you? I mean, at all. You, girl, do you see the shit that she do? Do you see the shit that that young lady does? Do you see her subscriber base? You thought that you were slick. You told them to do that, so therefore, it could bring some of her subscriber base right on over to you. That's what you might as well have said. I'm going to go ahead and clear this up, you know what I mean, and get back to what I was doing. But yeah, like I said, go after the people that, you know what I'm saying, sit on here and body shame you and call you names and stuff of that nature. Go ahead and make some videos about them. Because over here, I am not the one that's doing that. I am the one over here that is in hand. You know what I mean? My thing is shapewear. That's what my thing over here is. With that being said, I am going to go ahead and exit from off of here. I will see you beautiful people in the next video.